In a world painted by nature itself, there's one masterpiece we all see every day, yet almost no one can fully explain. That endless ocean above our heads, why is it blue and not green, purple, or even colorless? To understand this, we need to travel, not across continents, but into the invisible journey of sunlight as it meets Earth's atmosphere. This story begins 150 million kilometers away, at the sun. Sunlight may look white to our eyes, but in reality, it's made of many colors, each a wave of light with its own unique length. Imagine these colors lined up like a rainbow, red at one end with the longest waves and violet at the other with the shortest. As sunlight enters our atmosphere, it collides with molecules of nitrogen and oxygen. And here's where the magic happens. Shorter wavelengths, like blue, are scattered far more strongly than longer ones, such as red. This phenomenon is called Rayleigh scattering, and it's the invisible artist behind the blue sky. But there's a twist. Violet light is scattered even more than blue. So why don't we see a violet sky? The answer lies in our own biology. Our eyes are more sensitive to blue, and the sun emits less violet light in the first place. The result? A sky that glows in brilliant shades of blue day after day. As the sun sinks lower on the horizon, light travels through a thicker slice of atmosphere. Blue light gets scattered out of sight, leaving the warm reds and oranges we see at sunset. The sky's color is like a living canvas, constantly changing with the angle of the sun, the air's clarity, and the particles drifting in it. So the next time you look up, remember, the blue above you isn't just empty space, it's sunlight, shattered into color by the very air we breathe. A reminder that even the most ordinary sights can hide extraordinary stories, if we only know where to look.